Well, you know what time it is. It's time for another high quality review. We're going to review the Sondiko Butane torch. Discover more surprises in life. I don't know how you're going to do that with a butane torch, but okay. Temperature 1300 C, 2372 Fahrenheit. That's accurate. And it is butane powered. I don't know who all these people are. They're all happy, standing around a barbecue grill, playing a guitar with some floating food. And look, the guy's got the torch. Yeah, I don't know what that's actually doing there, pal, but okay. Keep away from children. Well, that child right there is not very happy. Yeah, he wants his torch back. So, Sondiko piezoelectric ignition, standard, powerful high output flame, comfortable grip, okay. Adjustable flame size, refillable for your convenience, lightweight, portable. Culinary, jewelry repair, mechanic, medical lab, outdoor, okay, dental. Dental? Do not put this in your mouth. I don't know why that's there, but if you go to the dentist and your dentist wants to stick a torch in your mouth, yeah, you might want to go find a new dentist. That could definitely be a problem. And more, well, I don't know what and more is, but dental definitely seems to be a problem. I would not advise you to put this in your mouth to try to melt the gold off your teeth. Not a good idea. I have no idea what that all says. But whatever. And there's the little Sondiko chef up there. Good job, Apple. Maybe we can figure out how to focus a camera one day. I mean, you know, it is 2023 and we still can't get it to focus. You get these adapters. These are for butane cans that do not have a big nipple or a long nipple. And that's what these are for. You'll probably never use them because the chances of finding one of these cans is kind of rare. Okay. It has a second child safety lock that they give you. It's made out of like a plastic material, hard plastic. It's pretty cut and dry. It tells you how to fill it. Just follow the instructions. You basically flip it upside down and you just insert the can. Don't shake it. You just take it and then you put it in, you pump it a couple times and it will fill up, and you will see that on here, you fill it up to the max line. And that's pretty cut and dry. It's a torch. It's not rocket science. It's very easy to use. It's kind of like, where is it? Like the butane lighters that you can buy. I bought this on Amazon. I needed something that I could use for a standard butane bottle torch that I have. So these are pretty cut and dry. They use the same fuel. Buy that on Amazon. The torch. Oh, let's just look at this real quick. If you have any problems, you can email them if you have any problems. Don't leave them a negative review. They're a small company, and email them and they'll make it right for you. And leaving those negative reviews doesn't do anything except hurt the algorithm so people can't find their products. It should be removed, that negative stuff. Pretty cut and dry how to fill it. Like I said, you want to have a bottle, a butane bottle that has a nipple. Pretty cut and dry. Flame brulee. Yeah. And they have some kind of cookbook, but I don't know who's cooking with this again. And simple instructions of how it works. It is a high quality product. It is metal. It has a nice collar in there with the nipple. A lot of nipples today, and has a nice ceramic insert to resist heat. And it is metal, plastic and metal. It has a premium fuel tank. I'm not really sure what a premium fuel tank is. It's a fuel tank. I don't know how you can discern a premium fuel tank from a non-premium fuel tank. It's a fuel tank. It's got a safety switch on here. Like I said, they give you an extra one. This is made out of plastic to look like anodized aluminum. And it's got a gas switch for strength. Pretty cut and dry. This is a dummy button. You just spark it, you press the button and spark it, press the button, spark it. Once it becomes lit, then you can hold this in and it will lock the flame until you unlock it. It's pretty cut and dry. It's basically a standard utility torch that people are cooking with. I don't know how that actually works, but that's it. And I'm not plugging Zippo's fuel, but they do make a nice product. Zippo, they've been around for ages. They make good quality fuel. It's made in the United States. If that matters to you, it matters to me. And 2 of these cans are $10. So it's a good product. And never had a problem with clogs or anything, so I recommend their fuel. Sondiko Butane torch. Discover more surprises in life. I recommend this product. Have a great day.
Okay, so about this kitchen torch, right? The thing about this kitchen torch is in comparison to, say, a smaller version of it, which we consider a lighter, the thing is, this kitchen torch, you see that knob on the bottom of this? I'm not sure if you can actually see this or not, but hold on. Okay, so you see that knob right there on the bottom of this? I'm not sure if you can see it, if there's any light. Hey Google, turn living room lamp up to 100%. There. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can actually see this knob or not, but that knob with the notches on it is too wide. And then honestly, it should seem like there should be like a gasket or something, because here's the thing. Every time I try to fill it up, it doesn't go. So far I've got it to half, but it won't go any higher than half because most of the gas just leaks out. This is what happens. Look, straight in, tilt the right way. Now you may not be able to see that, but that's a lot of gas and whatnot that's leaked out and literally just funneled itself into the bottom bowl like end of this. And I guarantee if it's not going in, most of that gas is escaping back out. I was only able to get it to actually about half. Hold on, give me a second. I'm trying to wait for this to dry up. Yeah, there we go. I was only giving it to half, and now it's actually below half. Trying to attempt to fill it back up to half again, or fill it all the way up. Unlike my little smaller one here, as you can see, that is more accommodating for something like this that actually got the built-on nozzle. It's small, it's tight, it fits directly around it, and it won't take that, and it won't constantly just leak out. Now, don't get me wrong, there'll be a little spurt of gas. There will be a little spurt of gas, right? Look, little spurt of gas, but outside of that, all the gas is going inside. Why in the world would they have something this big to fit for butane cans when butane cans are already like this, with the nozzle already built on, that will accommodate something smaller? But when you have something larger, what makes you think something, just because it's larger, has to have larger parts? Sometimes you have to have it built with smaller parts, like the injection point for the gas.
Well, this is it. I like this so much that I'm doing this review. You know, this is, you can control the size of the fire, you know. It's really good. You can lock it and unlock, lock and unlock it. You can use in any position. Doesn't matter which position you use, you can use with no problem. The material is awesome, man. It's hard plastic and look like this part is like metal. I'm not sure if it's metal, but it look like metal. But I don't. This is really awesome. If I need to buy it again, I would. I saw before I was scared about to buy this item because of some few bad reviews, but man, just buy it. Don't take a look. Don't take in consideration the bad reviews because this item is awesome. I like it. My wife love it. It's really good. Just buy it.
Been using this butane torch for a few weeks. Really like it so far. Has this nice little piece that kind of protects the trigger from getting pressed in accidentally. A little button here that if you press the trigger in, it'll keep it in place. Haven't had any issues with that yet. I know some reviews did. And yeah, there's a little slide there that you can adjust your flame. There's smallest and biggest. As you can see, puts off a really nice, strong flame. And then it was super easy, that little hole in the bottom, to use just a standard butane can to fill it. So no complaints at all.
Okay, I completely love this for my Palo Santo. It's great. And it's great for candles also. I'll walk around and just in my candles. So, perfect product.
Sondiko torch, just received this tonight. Seems like it's a pretty good quality. Nice metal up top here. One thing I'm not a huge fan of is the safety here. It's called a safety stopper, which you can easily lose, which isn't that great. But you can click it on here, you get your min and maximum on the side. Claims 2300 degrees, which is pretty cool. Also, you can put it on, hit the side button, and it locks it down. So you can just use projects with it holding down the trigger. And you can hit the trigger to release. Pretty good quality, definitely recommend. Refills in the bottom.
This is the most crappiest torch I have ever bought. When you leave it on for more than 15 seconds and lay it down and think it's off, it's really not. It'll catch your bed on fire. Do not buy this torch. This is a piece of junk. Whoever makes it Sondiko or Sondiki or whatever, don't buy it. Amazon is trickery.
Good. Okay. Just pull it down. Yeah, pull it right down in there. Hold it. Honey.
It's force the torch. Oh, forget it.
So everything's pretty nice about this. The fuel gauge on the back's really nice, but everything's smooth other than the hold button right here. It worked the very first time and it hasn't worked since. It will not hold. It don't do anything now. First time it clicked, locked in real easy, and then it hasn't worked since. But other than that, everything's pretty smooth.
this torch from Amazon. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn. Other than does that, I don't really care though. Pretty air resistant. Definitely would buy again if I break it or something.
Useless. Got a nice little flame. Fire, fire.